To transfer from Phantom Wallet to Robinhood, start by opening your Phantom Wallet and navigating to the account page. Here you will find a list of your available assets, including cryptocurrencies such as Solana and Ethereum. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on the Send button. Next, you will need to enter the recipient address, which is your Robinhood account address. To find this address, log into your Robinhood account and navigate to the cryptocurrency section. Click on the Deposit button and select the cryptocurrency you are transferring. Robinhood will provide you with a unique deposit address, which you should copy and paste into the recipient address field in your Phantom Wallet. Before initiating the transfer, make sure to double-check the recipient address to avoid any errors. It is also essential to note that some cryptocurrencies may have different address formats, so ensure you are using the correct address for the specific cryptocurrency you are transferring. Once you have confirmed the recipient address, enter the amount you want to transfer and select the transaction fee. The transaction fee will depend on the cryptocurrency and the network congestion. After reviewing the transaction details, confirm the transfer. The transfer process may take a few minutes to complete, depending on the network congestion. You can track the status of your transfer on the Blockchain Explorer or through your Phantom Wallet. Once the transfer is complete, the funds will be available in your Robinhood account, and you can use them to buy or sell other assets. It is crucial to note that transferring cryptocurrencies can be subject to market volatility, and the value of your assets may fluctuate during the transfer process. Additionally, ensure you are complying with all applicable laws and regulations when transferring cryptocurrencies. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer your cryptocurrencies from Phantom Wallet to Robinhood and start investing in a wide range of assets. Always prioritize security and caution when handling cryptocurrencies, and never share your private keys or account information with anyone.